So with the release of the new Bosch FLEXIDOME Starlight 8000i, we had a couple introduction videos that we've done, and customers have came back with questions as to the mounting options, and we have a lot of mounting options to cover today.
Once mounted, don't forget you don't need to get back up and touch the camera again. With the added capability of the PTRZ capability, pan, tilt, roll, zoom capability, you can put the camera up on the wall with the mounts that we're going to show you, and once you plug in the network cable, you don't have to touch the camera again. All that can be accomplished using laptop or remote telephone type device.
So we've built a mock-up of an indoor wall, an exterior wall, as well as a corner, a couple different ceiling options, and a pole mount option.
So again, reminder, when you're up in a bucket truck, we do realize we're operating off the floor. So if you're up in the bucket truck, you're on a ladder, things like that. We hope you'll find that these videos will help you understand how easy it is to actually mount the camera. And just as a reminder, all you need to do is mount the camera, because again, you can set the rest of the camera up once you plug it into the network with laptop or remote telephone type device.
So we have a lot of mounting options to cover. Let's get to it.
Sure do. Okay.
So Tom, we're here looking at the FLEXIDOME Starlight 8000i pole mount small with surface mount box and conduit type installation.
Gotcha. What's a big application that this would be utilized for?
Primarily, obviously on a pole, but when you want a low profile type implementation.
Gotcha. So if you have a switch really close by and you're running Ethernet right to it, you don't need big boxes or
Correct.
Interfaces. You're going right into the back of the camera.
Exactly.
Gotcha. All right. Now the parts required for that would be a FLEXIDOME Starlight 8000i. You'll also need the pole mount adapter, which is the small version of it, which is the NDA-U-PMAS, along with the pendant wall mount, which is the NDA-U-WMT, the pendant interface plate outdoor with weather shield, NDA-8000-PIPW, and then last would be the surface mount box, which is the NDA-U-PSMB, and that'll allow the external conduit to go right into the back of it.
Right, so if we have an instance where we don't need to run conduit, we're not going to be coming through the pole, this allows us to run conduit right to the box.
Perfect. Now we're going to have the installation shown by Joe on how to put all these parts and pieces together.
Great.